Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off or disable lock screen wallpaper on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. See here, I lock my phone and see the lock screen wallpaper. This is lock screen wallpaper. Okay, this lock screen wallpaper will also be shown in always on display. Okay, when your phone screen is off, if you want tap on the locked screen, you will see some information, that is clock, date, notifications, charging. Okay, and look at the background of this information. You will see the lock screen wallpaper. Okay, lock screen wallpaper is showing in the background of this information. So if you would like to turn off always on display background, that is if you would like to turn off lock screen wallpaper to be not shown on here, that is always on display, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings here, and then go to lock screen and AOD, and click on always on display, and here you will find show lock screen wallpaper option turned on. Okay, just to turn off this button so that lock screen wallpaper will not be shown when you open always on display. Okay, lock your screen and one tap on the locked screen to have the always on display. Okay, see here. Only information are showing, but in the background lock screen wallpaper is not available. So in this way you can easily turn off or disable lock screen wallpaper over on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.